At the veterinary clinic. Good morning. Is this the vet clinic?
Good morning. Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I have a problem with my dog.
Okay, what is wrong with your dog?
He does not eat and he is very tired.
I see. How old is your dog?
He is 5 years old.
What is his name?
His name is Rocky.
Nice name. When did the problem start?
2 days ago.
Does he drink water?
Yes, but not much.
Okay, I will check him now.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Rocky. Good boy. Let me see.
He sleeps a lot and does not want food.
Did he eat something strange?
Maybe he was in the garden.
Okay, I will check his temperature.
Okay.
He has a small fever, but nothing serious.
Oh, good.
I will give you medicine for him.
How often should I give it?
2 times a day, morning and evening.
Okay.
Give him a lot of water and let him rest.
Yes, of course.
If he is not better in 3 days, come back.
Okay, I will.
Do you have any questions?
No, that is all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Rocky will be fine.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
Friends meeting. Hi, Emma. Long time no see.
Hi, John. Yes, long time. Was it 3 years?
I think 4 years. We met at Matt's party.
Oh, yes, that's right.
How are you?
I'm good. I have my own restaurant now.
That's great. It was your dream.
Yes, you can visit my restaurant. Here's my card.
Thank you. I will visit. What food do you make?
I make Italian food.
Nice. I like pizza and pasta.
And you? How are you? What's new?
I work online. I travel a lot.
Nice. Where were you last?
I was in Australia. Very nice beaches and friendly people.
Wow, I am scared of big spiders.
Don't worry. I saw only one.
I am still scared. I don't like spiders and snakes.
I understand. Next week, I go to Thailand for 2 months.
2 months? Really?
Yes, I love this place. I was there 2 years ago.
I heard it is very beautiful. Maybe one day I will go.
You should go. It is great.
Asking for directions. Hello, I am looking for the Guards Museum. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Do you have a map?
Yes, here it is.
Great. We are on Wilford Street now. Go straight ahead.
Okay.
Take the first street on the left.
The first left. Got it.
That street is Buckingham Gate.
All right.
Walk along this street for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay.
Then turn right.
Turn right. Yes.
You will see many trees there.
Trees. Good sign.
This place is called Bridge Walk.
Bridge walk. Okay.
Go past the buildings. The museum is on the right side.
On the right. Perfect. Is it far from here?
No, it is quite close.
How long does it take on foot?
About 15 minutes.
That is good. Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
You are welcome. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Renting a car. Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to rent a car, please.
Okay. What size do you want? Small, medium, or minivan?
How much is each?
Small is $20 a day. Medium is $25. Minivan is $30.
I want a small car with unlimited mileage.
Okay. The price is $40 a day plus gasoline. Do you want insurance?
Yes, what do you offer?
Full insurance is $5 a day. It covers accidents and damage.
Okay, I will take it.
Do you want manual or automatic?
Manual, please.
The car has air conditioning and a radio. It uses little gasoline.
Sounds good.
How long do you want the car?
For 1 week.
Can I see your driving license and credit card?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Please fill in this form. Here is your key.
Thank you. When do I return the car?
Next week before noon. Please return it with a full tank.
Okay. What happens if I am late?
You pay for 1 more day.
I understand. Thank you. Goodbye.
Have a safe trip. Goodbye.
Rent a flat. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I am calling about the ad. Is the flat still available?
Yes. It's a 2-bedroom flat in a modern tenement. It's on the 2nd floor.
Great. I have a couple of questions. Is the flat furnished?
Of course. It was redecorated last year, and it's in good condition.
Excellent. How much is the rent?
£400 per week, and you need to pay for gas and electricity.
Sounds good to me. When can I come and see the flat?
If you want, we can meet around 5 p.m. Does it suit you?
Sure. Can I have the address, please?
It's at 16 Woodhouse Street, next to Post Office.
Thank you very much. See you then.
Bye. See you.
At the butcher. Good morning.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I need a nice cut of meat for dinner.
Okay, I will try to find something good. What are you going to cook?
I want to make a Sunday roast.
How about this tenderloin? It is lean and easy to carve.
That looks good. I will take 1 pound. Can you also give me 2 chicken breasts, please?
Of course. Are you looking for free range?
Yes, please. Are they free range?
Yes, they are. Here you go. Anything else?
I would like some cold meat. Do you have salami?
Sorry, we are out today. But we have Italian ham. Would you like to try it?
Okay, it looks good. I will take 200 grams.
Shall I slice it for you?
Yes, please. Thank you. How much do I pay?
That will be 24 pounds, please.
Here you are. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, and goodbye.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Calling emergency services. Emergency services. What is your emergency?
Hello, I need help. A man just fainted.
Where are you now?
I am in Central Park near the main entrance.
Is the man breathing?
Yes, he is breathing, but he is not awake.
Is he lying on his back?
Yes, he is lying on the ground.
Please check if he is breathing normally.
Yes, he is breathing slowly.
That is good. Stay calm. Help is coming.
Okay, what should I do now?
Please make sure he is on his side.
All right, I am turning him carefully.
Good. Is he injured?
I do not see any blood.
That is good. Do not give him food or water.
Okay, I will not give him anything.
Stay with him and talk to him.
I am here with him.
The ambulance will arrive in a few minutes.
Thank you. I am waiting.
You are doing a good job. Stay calm.
Thank you for your help.
At the hair salon.
Hello. Welcome to Golden Hair Salon.
Hello.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
That is okay. We have time now.
Great, thank you.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
How can I help you today?
I want to change my hair a little.
Sure. What would you like?
I want a little darker color.
Dark brown?
Yes, but natural, not too dark.
I understand. Anything else?
Yes, please trim the ends.
Just a little?
Yes, just a little.
No problem.
I feel a bit nervous.
Don't worry. You are in good hands.
Thank you.
Your hair is healthy. The color will look nice.
I hope so.
It will look natural.
Good.
Please sit here.
Okay, thank you.
How much do you want to cut?
Only the ends, please.
No problem.
How long will it take?
About 2 hours.
That is fine.
Would you like tea, coffee, or water?
Tea, please.
Of course.
Thank you.
All done. What do you think?
I love it. It looks natural.
I am glad you like it.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. See you next time.
Yes, see you.
At the post office. Excuse me, is this the line for sending a package?
Yes, it is. I'm waiting to send a parcel too.
Oh, good. I wasn't sure. It's my first time here.
Really? I come here quite often.
I need to send this box to my sister.
That's nice. Where does she live?
She lives in another city, about 3 hours from here.
That's not too far.
Yes, but I want the package to arrive quickly.
Then you should choose express delivery.
Is it very expensive?
It costs a bit more, but it's much faster.
I see. Maybe I will choose that option.
What's inside the box?
Just some clothes and a small gift.
That's sweet of you.
What about you? What are you sending?
I'm returning a pair of shoes I bought online.
Oh no, were they the wrong size?
Yes, they were too small for me.
That's annoying.
Yes, but at least the return is free.
That's good.
Ooh, I think it's our turn soon.
Yes, finally. The line was quite long.
The post office is always busy on Mondays.
That's true.
Good luck with your package.
Thank you. You too.
At the post office. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to send this package.
Where are you sending it?
I am sending it to Los Angeles.
Is there anything fragile inside?
No, there is nothing fragile. There are only clothes and a small gift.
Do you want normal delivery or fast delivery?
What is the difference?
Normal delivery takes about 5 days. Fast delivery takes 2 days.
How much does it cost?
Normal delivery costs $12. Fast delivery costs $18.
I will choose normal delivery. It is not urgent.
That is fine. Can I see the address, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. The total price is $12.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
I will pay by card.
Please use the machine here.
Okay,
Here is your receipt and your tracking number.
thank you. When will it arrive?
It will arrive in about 5 days.
That is good. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.